Lesson 7.4, Video 3, Law of Cosines. Now when we use the law of sines, we needed a side and its opposite angle, or vice versa. Law of cosines has a different criteria, and this one would be that we would need two sides, that's an S here, sorry, two sides and an included angle, which basically means we'd have a 2, a 5, and a 60 degree. That's two sides and its included angle, or the angle between the two sides, you know. Or you need three sides. Both cases you can use the law of cosines. And the law of cosines is an interesting formula. If you look at this here, this is the formula. It's one of three possible formulas. Notice a couple observations here. Here is my side, and notice A, B, you have three sides now, A and B. Side C is right here. Again, A and B right here, but with this side C, here is the angle C. So you could find a side and not know its opposite side and so on. But if I change this to finding, in this case if you notice it's solved for C squared. If I said I wanted to solve for B squared, notice how it would change. If B squared or B is being used, then I would have A squared plus C squared minus 2, and then AC shows up again, and then I would have cosine of angle B. Again, noticing that those are my two, that's my relationship with the angles B and side B. Now I could also do one more. And if I was solving for A squared, I would have B squared plus C squared. So it looks like Pythagorean theorem there. And then because it's not a right triangle, they have this adjustment. 2BC cosine of capital A. Now again, if you look at this, here's Pythagorean theorem. This part is used because you don't have a right angle, so you have an adjustment that needs to take place. And that's kind of an overview of law of cosines. So this ends lesson 7.4, video 3.